Welcome! If you want more easy dialogues like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hello, I have an appointment for a haircut. Is it possible to start now?
Hello? Yes, of course. Please take a seat.
Thank you. I would like a simple haircut, nothing too short.
No problem. How much would you like me to cut? Just a little, or a few centimeters?
Just a few centimeters, please. I want to keep the length, but make it look fresh.
All right. Do you want your hair straightened or left natural? Both options are possible.
I prefer natural. I like the natural look. It's easier for me at home.
Very well. Do you want me to add a light shampoo before cutting? It is included in the price.
Yes, please. A quick shampoo would be perfect. Thank you.
Great. I will wash your hair now. Then we will start the haircut.
No problem. Your salon is very nice. It feels relaxing here.
Thank you very much. We try to make it comfortable for everyone. I'm glad you like it.
By the way, do you think layers would look good on me? I'm not sure.
Yes, I think layers would suit you. They would give more movement, but only if you want them.
Okay, let's try light layers, not too strong, just something soft.
Perfect. I will make them very natural. Nothing too dramatic.
Thanks a lot. You work very delicately. I feel comfortable.
Thank you. We are almost done. I will show you the result in a moment.
It looks great. I really like it. Thank you for your work.